Subscribe to Bootstrap Station if you haven't, and today we are going to install NordVPN in Arch, Manjaro and other Arch based distros. So let us execute these commands one by one into the terminal. First of all, you need to install git to clone the repository. Type Y and press enter. Now go to the downloads directory. Now let's clone the NordVPN. Let's navigate to the directory where we have cloned it, and let's create the package. Type Y, it is going to download the dependencies, and press enter. Let it finish doing the things, and now you have to type the command until this, because the name of the file may change in future. So type nord and then type a tab, okay, tab from the keyboard, and the full name will be depicted here, and press enter. Now it is asking us to install it. Just type Y and press enter, and it has been successfully installed. Now as this is saying us to launch this command to enable it, we already have it. Run this command here, press enter, and it has been successfully added to the startup. Now to connect and use the NordVPN, you can just go to this website, wiki, Arch Linux wiki. It's right here, okay, and let me quickly walk you through it. Type this command to log in into the NordVPN, press enter. Now you just have to type the email or the username and press enter. Now just type the user password and press enter. Now it is verifying it, and we are successfully logged in, okay. So let us list the countries first. Press enter. You can see a lot of countries here, and I also want to list the cities, so I'll be just typing this command, NordVPN cities, and after cities I will be typing the name of one country. Let's say Taiwan. I want to connect to this country. Copy and paste it and press enter. It is only listing one city here. Let's go for the US, United States, and press enter. Now here you can see we have a lot of countries. So I'll be just connecting to Denver here. So for that you just have to type this command, NordVPN space connect space, this format we are going to use, country and the city, okay. And if you want to connect to a particular country without specifying its name, then you can just type United States or any country from here. So let's connect to this country, Denver. So we type here United States, give a space, and then the city name, Denver, and press enter. Now it is just connecting us. Wait for it, and you can see that we have been successfully connected to that place. So let us quickly check the status of it. Press enter, and it says we have a new location, city Denver, and the country is United States. So let us quickly check using the IP also, my IP, and here you can see it says Denver, Colorado, United States. So we have successfully connected to the NordVPN, right? And to disconnect it, just execute the last command and press enter, and we have successfully disconnected from NordVPN. And if you want to play more with it, then just go to this Arch wiki and read the commands whichever you want, like auto connect, changing the IP protocol, TCP, UDP, like that, okay, and a lot of things. Like if you want to go for IPv4 or IPv6, all of the options are available here. You can just read them. So please subscribe to Bootstrap Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.